Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on managing databases in MySQL. In this video, we are going to learn how to create, select, list and drop databases. These are essential commands for interacting with MySQL databases, and understanding them will help you effectively manage your database system. Let's get started. The first we are going to see create database command. This is used to create a new database in MySQL. The syntax for the create database command is simple. Create database followed by database name. The character set, character name, collation name will be the optional. Here database name is the name of the database you want to create. It can be any name as long as it follows MySQL's naming conventions. Let's create a database called college_db. Here is the command. Create database followed by college_db. Now, how can we check whether the database is created or not? So for that we are using show databases. Now you can observe here the college database is created. Now, how can we select a particular database? So for that we are using the command use college_db. So how do we know whether the current database is college_db is selected or not? For that I am going to use the command select database from dual. Now what will happen? So I am using current database as a college_db. Now I am just retrieving what is my current database. So for that I am using the command select database from dual. It shows college_db is your current database. So now what I will do? First I want to clear the screen. I can use the command system space cls. Now let's move to the next command. We already have seen select database. The select database command in MySQL is used to choose a specific database when multiple databases exist on MySQL server. So we just used use_college_db, right? So here we are using the command use. And also we have seen how to show the database. When working with MySQL, it's common to list the databases, view tables from a specific database, and check user accounts and privileges. So for that we are using the command show databases. So let's see here, show databases. So it will show the list of databases are available in the MySQL server. If you want to drop the database, we can use the command drop database followed by college_db. A database will be dropped. Now how can I check it whether it is available or not? Again I am using show databases. Now there is no college_db. Please make sure that before deleting the database, if the database is deleted, all the tables and views are available in the database will be deleted permanently. So this is all about database operations. Just now we have seen create database, show database and select database. The last one is drop the databases. In the next session we will see how to create the table and alter the table, renaming table and deleting the table, This all comes under the data definition languages. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.